PRS tool is designed for disassembly of the solenoid core shell of the valve body of automatic transmissions 6DCT 450/470 series. The use of hydraulics allows you to disassemble the solenoid without damaging the core rod and sleeve and speed up the disassembly and assembly process. The solenoid requiring disassembly is determined during the preliminary testing of the valve body on the diagnostic stand. The data obtained during the test allows you to accurately determine the faulty solenoid. Before starting work, it is necessary to pour working fluid into the machine, which will be fed into the cavity between the core and its sleeve. You can use any transmission fluid for any type of automatic transmissions. The fluid must be poured into the cavity at the base of the machine, and its optimal level should be at least 2 mm from the bottom. Next, you need to pump the machine. To do this, you need to install the working head in the groove and make a few clicks on the handle of the main cylinder. It is necessary to pump the machine until fluid begins to flow out of the working head. If necessary, it can be topped up to the required level. Then, you need to disconnect the desired solenoid from the valve body by unscrewing the mounting screws. Next, unbend the fixing legs of the solenoid body with a suitable tool and remove it. Also, remove an electromagnetic coil from the sleeve if it has not been removed along with the body. The core shell is installed in the adapter socket with the sleeve facing down. Put on top the working head of the tool and center it on the adapter. The assembly must be moved under the retaining screw and securely fixed. The fluid from the machine will fall into the gap between the core rod and the body. Then, it will get inside the sleeve through the system of drainage holes. The pressure is being increased using the handle of the main cylinder until the core shell is decompressed. After disassembly, you need to loosen the retaining screw and remove the working head from the device. The adapter will have the front of the case on it, and the sleeve and core will lie a little deeper. With this method of disassembly, the brass rod of the core and the sleeve are not deformed. For the reverse assembly, you need to install the parts in the correct sequence on the front of the case and press the sleeve. If necessary, you can use a press. Then, you need to assemble the solenoid in reverse order. Install the electromagnetic coil on the core sleeve, and then install the body. The procedure for replacing the solenoid core is completed.